Hi, in this video we are going to find the constant of integration if you are given a particular value of the function. We have mentioned earlier where if you are given fx, okay, when you differentiate you will be able to get f prime of x, which is the derivative of the function. So in reverse, if you are given f prime of x, you will be able to find the function of f. Same concept applied here, where you are given f prime of x and you are asked to find the function of f. So to get the function of f, what you need to do is to integrate. So to get the function of f, you need to integrate f prime of x with respect to x. So you can straight away write it this way: x to the power of 3 minus 2x2 plus 3 dx, and start your integration with the rules, where x to the power of 4 divided by 4 minus 2x to the power of 3 over 3 plus with 3x plus c. You can't just leave your answer with the constant of c. So what you need to do is, see, that's the information given from the question, where when x is equals to 0, function of f will be equivalent to 2. So all you need to do is to substitute the x value in the function. So after you have substituted x equivalent to 0 in the equation, in this equation, you realize that c is equivalent to 2. Hence, we can write function of f as equivalent to x to the power of 4 over 4 minus 2x to the power of 3 over 3 plus 3x plus 2. So that's your function of f. Let's move on to try another question. So this time around you are given f prime x equals to 2x minus 1. So to get function of f, what you need to do is just integration of 2x minus 1 with respect to x. So integration 2x to the power of 2 over 2 minus x. So once simplified, you will be able to get x squared minus x plus c. So that is the function of f. There's another information given here so that you can actually find the value of c. So when you substitute 0, okay, as x, you will be able to find that f 0 square minus 0 plus c is equivalent to 3. So we can say that c is equivalent to 3. So in the conclusion, fx can be written as x squared plus x plus 3. So that's your final answer for this question. Moving on to this, if you notice, the statement says that if we are given the second derivative, we need to integrate twice to find the function. This creates two integrating constants, so we need two other facts about the curve in order to determine this constant. What does that mean by this? So if you have fx, when you differentiate one time, you are getting f prime of x. Continue to differentiate it again, so you get f double prime of x. So in reverse, if you are given f double prime, which is the second derivative of the function of f, you will be able to get, okay, f prime x. Continue to integrate another round, then you will be able to get the function of f. So now let's take a look at this question. So where can we start first? Definitely it is from the second derivative and also this information. So from the second derivative, to get f prime x, we need to integrate 12x squared minus 4 dx. We will be getting 12x to the power of 3 over 3 minus 4x plus c. So this is f prime of x. Further simplify it, you should be getting 4x cubed minus 4x plus c. So the info given from the question is when it is x equivalent to 0, when you substitute 0 in the equation, you'll be getting 0 minus 0 plus c n equivalent to -1. Hence, we can say that c is equivalent to -1 for this equation. So f prime of x will be equivalent to 4x cubed minus 4x minus 1. To continue with this, all you need to do is you do the second round of integration, where to get fx I need to integrate 4x cubed minus 4x minus 1 with respect to x, and you are getting 4x to the power of 4 divided by 4 minus 4x to the power of 2 divided by 2 minus x plus c. Simplify the equation, and you will be able to get x to the power of 4 minus 2x squared minus x plus c. The next information given in the question will lead you to the function of f. The information given is f, when you substitute x equals to 1, it will give you 4. Hence from here, f1, so when I substitute 1 in the equation, I'll get 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus c, and I should be able to get 4. Simplify the equation, and you will find that c is equivalent to 6. Hence, the function of f will be equivalent to x to the power of 4 minus 2x power 2 minus x plus with 6. Try this question where second derivative are given. So to get f prime of x, you will have to integrate 2x plus 1 dx. After integration, you should be getting x squared plus x plus with c. So when this info are given, substitution of 1 at the position of x, you are getting f prime x, f prime of 1 is equivalent to 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 plus c equivalent to 3. Bring these two values over, so c will be equivalent to 3 minus 2, which is equivalent to 1. So f prime of x can be written as x squared plus x plus 1. To continue to find fx, integration of x squared plus x plus 1 in terms of x. Continue, x to the power of 3 over 3 plus with x to the power of 2 over 2 plus x plus c. So your task now is to find the c again. So these are the information which will help you with this. So let's substitute 2 in the equation. So you get 2 to the power of 3 over 3 plus with 2 to the power of 2 over 2 plus with 2 plus c equivalent to 7. Bring all these values to the other side so that you can find c. With this, you will be getting c equals to 1 over 3. Therefore, the function of f is equivalent to x to the power of 3 over 3 plus x squared over 2 plus x plus 1 over 3. We move on to the last question, where similar type of the question, second derivative are given. So first, to find f prime of x, you have to integrate 15 x to the power of 1 over 2. It can be written in this way, plus with 3 x to the power of negative 1 over 2 dx. Continue with your integration. So 15 x to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, plus with 3x negative, so it's 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. Simplify the equation. You will be able to get 10x to the power of 3 over 2 plus with 6x to the power of 1 over 2 plus with c. So that's your f prime x. Making use of the information given from the question, when you substitute 1 at the position of x, so you are getting 10 plus with 6 plus c equivalents to 12. Hence, c will be equivalent to negative 4. We can now write f prime x as f prime of x is equivalent to 10 x 3 over 2 plus with 6x power 1 over 2 minus 4. To continue with this question, we have to integrate f prime x to get function of f. So integration of 10x to the power of 3 over 2 plus with 6x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 4 dx. 10x 5 over 2 divided by 5 over 2 plus with 6x 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 minus 4x. Continue to simplify the equation. You will get 4x to the power of 5 over 2 plus with 4x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 4x plus c. So now let's make use of this information to help us to find c. So let's substitute 0 at the position of x, where you are getting this whole part as 0 plus c equivalents to 5. Hence, c is equivalent to 5. So in conclusion, f(x) can be written as 4x to the power of 5 over 2 plus with 4x 3 over 2 minus 4x plus with 5. Hope you have a better understanding on this part.